We are at IFA 2019, taking a look at the Lenovo Smart Tab M8. Straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com, and we're taking a look at the Lenovo Smart Tab M8. This is the new Google Assistant Smart Tab. Last year they had the Smart Tab P10, which featured Alexa, and this one has the Google Assistant. Has a MediaTek 822 processor. Comes with 2 gigs of RAM, 16 or 32 gigs of storage, a 5000 milliamp hour battery, 8-inch IPS 1280 by 800 display, has a 5 megapixel rear camera, a 2 megapixel front camera, and it works as a smart display as well as a tablet. The build quality is decent, and the dock is slim and supportive. The Smart Tab M8 is a little bit easier to handle than the Smart Tab P10. It's also not made of all glass, which makes it less slippery and easier to hold in the hand. The M8 does come with some extra software on board, including Google Messages, Google Phone, Gmail, Chrome, Google Play Music, Google Photo, Google Calendar, Google App Search, Kids Mode, Tablet Manager, Microsoft Preload Suite, Netflix, Bing Wallpaper, and of course, the Google Assistant. Of course, you get that dual microphone array, and this will help the Google Assistant recognize your voice. The Lenovo Smart Tab M8 will start at $119.99 and is expected to be available starting October 2019. That is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and we will talk to you guys on the other side.